If you hold XRP or you hold XLM, this video is going to be extremely bullish for you guys. So welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you guys for rocking with me here. And the SEC just made a major move. They approved the hashdex NASDAQ ETF. I'm going to tell you why this is so big, why it's so relevant right now. And there are some other things that we got to get to in terms of other assets that will be in here, what all the specifics are. But right now, smash the like button, subscribe down below if you haven't already. Welcome back into the channel if you guys have been here before. And if you're brand new, definitely subscribe. We're putting out multiple videos every single day for you guys. Let's get into it, man. And good morning, GM to everybody out there. We're fired up, man. Listen, I'm buying on this crypto dip. I'm getting ready for Q4. I don't know what you guys are doing. Let me know what kind of altcoins you guys are buying in the comment section below. Always excited to hear from you guys here in the comments. So let's dive in and take a look at what this big news is and what it means for us moving forward as well. The SEC has approved the hashdex NASDAQ ETF. So the ETF listed as NASDAQ made the change last Thursday, and ETF issuers prepare for October launch. So this could be one of those basket ETFs, and this is going to be adding XRP, Solana, and XLM to its existing portfolio, which right now just consists of Bitcoin and Ethereum. So a huge deal here, guys, and I do not want to understate just how big of a deal this is. These assets are finally getting the love that they deserve, right? We're finally seeing these assets be listed with Bitcoin and Ethereum. The ETF was built in Delaware. It's tagged as an emerging growth company, and it says here we've got a dozen filings with the SEC now, said Stephen McClurg, founder of Canary Capital. He confirmed asset managers are already lining up. We're all getting ready for a wave of launches. That wave is expected to hit hard in Q4, according to Jonathan Groth at DGIM Law. This is why we're so freaking bullish right now. The rush began in July when the SEC first proposed the changes. Since then, the firms have scrambled to rewrite filings, address SEC feedback, and basically meet all the standards needed. These are the rules we had been anticipating. The president of Bitwise said, and he said most filings are nearing the end of the review phase and could hit the market shortly. Analysts expect ETFs tracking SOL and XRP to debut in early October. So it says here, Grayscale Investments, they haven't waited. Less than 48 hours after the SEC's announcement, it converted its private fund into a public product already. That's the Grayscale CoinDesk Crypto 5 ETF. This is going to hold Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Solana, and Cardano. And the CEO of Grayscale, he wants this to be their push for public market access, regulatory clarity, and product innovation. The bigger question now is whether investors will actually care about ETFs tied to lesser known coins. Well, I think XRP and XLM are super well positioned. Why? Because they offer major utility in an institutional world. XRP to me is going to get a ton of exposure, a ton of attention. And Stellar XLM, I believe, will as well. Now, the smart contract platforms outside of Ethereum like Solana, Cardano, we'll see, right? Dogecoin. I do think there's some demand there, but I do not think there's that level of demand for Cardano and Solana ETFs right now than there is for XRP and XLM, just given what these assets do in terms of integrating with the banking system for cross-border payments, tokenization, all of the big things that are kind of bringing institutions into crypto in the first place, right? So that's what I'm looking at right now. I think this is going to be some type of run once we get into Q4. Now, we look across the board right now, there's a ton of dips, ton of opportunities. I mean, things are pulling back like crazy. Aster's finally coming down a little bit, down 13%. This thing's been going parabolic. I do think, an interesting spot would be like 185 on Aster if you can catch it down there. I still think this is, a long-term great play in my opinion. A lot of other assets down. Kronos is getting hit pretty good. I do like Kronos under 20 cents. AVAX on a little bit of a pullback after hitting up near $35, back down to 30 here. and you're getting some nice pullbacks across the board. Even top meme coins that I would maybe go back into look pretty good here as well. There's a lot of different directions you can go in the market. H-bar is another one that I like down here at 21 cents. It's holding the line down there. Cardano's down to 79 cents. Ondo below 90 cents. It's crazy. There's tons of opportunities out there right now in the market. But this is exciting, man. Super exciting for, this big move. The SEC approves the hashdex NASDAQ ETF to hold Bitcoin, ETH, XRP, Solana, and XLM. And if you hold XRP and XLM right now, hold on tight. That's my take, because we have not even began to see what could happen when the institutions get their way and invest in these assets the way they want to. Okay. And I think we're just super damn early. And I'm excited as hell about where we're going, guys. And, where things could end up in the next 4 to 6 months. All right. So sign up for my free newsletter. That's totally free. Get in there while you still can. If you guys want inside access, you want to join the inner circle. All right. Get ready to dominate the market. Guys, it's 90 cents a day. You're going to be on the inside. You'll see my entire portfolio. You'll get my buy and sell alerts, AI generated hot crypto picks of the week, and prime value picks, along with a ton of other insights. I just shared a couple trades in there late last night that we're up on. So hop into the inner circle, become an inner circle member today. You'll find that link at the top of the description. And as I mentioned, we got the free newsletter too. You'll find that link down there. Tons of exchanges down there. WEEX, crypto.com, BidFi. Come on over and join us at all those exchanges as well. Guys, sit tight. Sit back, relax, and strap it down, XRP Army, because we're just getting freaking started here. And XLM as well. Great beta play, in my opinion, to XRP. I'm on it. I think these things are going to, again, be dominant leaders and dominant forces in this run when we see the institutions pile in when liquidity comes back to the markets with these rate cuts. Excited, man, about where we're going. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. We'll see you guys in the next video.